Hey everyone, NWA Prepper here. So I'm going to tell you of all the gadgets and gadgets that I have purchased and wasted money on over the years. This little Zippo thing is the best. It is it's just a little fan, but I want to show you. I came down and our campfire needed a little bit of help. And so let me show you this. There's the sweet spot. Yes, this thing makes me happy. Helps me get that wood going for sure. So yeah, it's definitely a neat little toy. I put rechargeable batteries in it, and it has made reviving that fire very easy. I wish I had shown you from the beginning. It has been a wonderful day. It's cold and it's been really windy, but it's a wonderful day. Haven't really done anything spectacular, but worked on this fire a little bit. It was inexpensive, so for a couple of bucks, I've had it just stuffed in a truck for a while, and now I am pleased with it. Let me know if you guys have any gadgets or things like that that you like down in the comments below. Let's get ready.